Hey my loves, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's a super weird way to start an intro, but I decided to do it this way, like next to my window because the sun is shining, and I thought that this eye makeup look and this highlighter look gorgeous under the sun. So I thought it would be amazing to show you the real sparkles before I start the tutorial. So okay, if you want to see how I got these gorgeous smoky, like shiny, glittery, I don't know, I used all the words, like makeup look, just keep on watching, and okay, see you soon.
Okay, so first I'm taking the first color from the Karity Makeup Nudes Rudes eyeshadow palette. It's called Mittens. I use it as a transition shade and I dip into the palette like a couple of times, starting from the very light application, then just intensifying it. After I'm glad with the blending, I'm going to take the color Neil from the same palette and start blending that into the crease as well, just to have like a little more intense crease. After I'm very happy with the blending, I take the color Abyss, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's basically a matte black color, and apply it into the outer corner and then going into the inner corner, just creating that halo effect. As you can see, I'm also applying it in the middle, just slightly, and then starting to buff the color out with like a more flat but blending brush, and then I go back with the like more brownish color, and then go back to this color and blend. This makeup look looks horrific until it's done, and the main key of having like it look good by the end, you need to blend a lot. Then I take the color Wheat from the same palette, it's a frosty shade, and apply it where I've put the black to have like that little subtle sparkle there, and just in the sunlight it looks a little bit purplish, which very complimentary for green eyes. And then I blend again. Now I take a concealer and start to cut a crease, sort of. I'm doing this to have more like bright halo effect, and this part is not my favorite, but it went out to be pretty good. I don't like cutting creases, especially mine. I have slightly hooded eyes, so I don't like doing it, but it changes everything. So I apply with a concealer. It takes time to make it perfect. After that, I like to take an angled eyeliner brush and the transition color and just sharpen the crease. Then I take the color Banshee and with the flat brush and just apply it into the place we've already applied a concealer, and blending it out to have that perfect like transition from the dark color Witch to this Banshee color. What I like to do now is to take the color Unicorn with my pinky and put it like in the middle of the lid, just to intensify that brightness. You can use a brush, but I like to do it with my pinky. Now I take a black eyeliner pencil and put it in my waterline. Then I'm going to take a gel eyeliner and line the like lower lash line. After I'm done with the gel eyeliner, I'm going to take the color Abyss again on smaller blending brush and just blend it out. Then take a little bit bigger blending brush on the color Mittens and just smoke it out even further, and just then do my face makeup, pop on some lashes, and be back.
Hey loves, hope you like this tutorial, and I have a little surprise for you. If you liked how these eyeshadows applied, I have a coupon code. They were generous enough to give me that, and it's a just for you coupon code. I'm going to get any revenue from it. So this video is not sponsored at all, and this is all just for you. If you liked it, just try it. I think that color combination is amazing, and I love the quality, as you could see during the tutorial. So, and yes, don't forget, thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And also, if you'd like, activate that bell so you can see when I upload every single week. And I love you so much, guys. Bye.